Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I will be reading an article from Danny Martin Gerard. His work can be found at DannyGSThoughtForToday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Create your own prognosis. Why should you give a poor prognosis all your focus and attention when so many people have surpassed the expectation? You're basing your life on an educated guess, when you should be focusing on succeeding, not failing. We're all made from the same source, and you can call this source God, or energy, or a soul, but the fact that you come from this infinite energy should be your true indicator of success. Whether it's only a minority who heals, or the majority who heals, if one person did it, then all can do it. How many people beat the odds, but we still doubt as if they have something we don't? Every religion and every master will tell you we all come from the same source, and we're all made from the same energy that created the universe. You can call this source Holy Spirit or the Great I Am. But the point of the matter is, we are all divinely created, and we keep on creating ourselves anew through God. We can say every person on the planet is an extension of the universal spirit that created it all. Sometimes, only a minority heals from a deadly disease or accomplishes a childhood dream. However, saying it's unattainable is declaring these people have something we don't. It's basically saying these people deserve well-being or prosperity more than us. We're all made up of flesh and bone, but the only difference is in our thinking, and perception changes everything. We think we're inferior to everyone who ever accomplished anything great, whether it's healing from disease or embarking on a new territory. When we say we can't do it, it is inferiority, because almost every challenge in life, someone has surpassed us and achieved the impossible. Whatever we didn't accomplish yet, it's just a matter of time before humanity perseveres and discovers yet another breakthrough. Have you ever heard of someone who accomplished a great task saying, "I didn't think I could do it," or "It's never going to happen"? Isn't everything an idea first? We don't move towards anything that isn't a thought first. Isn't every idea a launching pad for another? Doesn't everything in life have a sequence and season? Is everything random, and is life just about evolution? Or is there a definite plan and purpose we assign ourselves in our physical experience? Isn't there a plan and purpose that the universe desires for all? This grand awareness that we call God created everything, including every particle in this universe, so there should be no doubt as to his power in your life and in the universe. Can there ever be an answer that remains hidden from this infinite intelligence? Would God, the Great I Am, who created the universe out of utter perfection, not have good intentions for humanity? Would God, the Great I Am, say there's nothing we can do about the calamity and world peace and the so-called diseases of this planet? Would a God who said, "I can do all things," be limitless to anything you desire? God is waiting for you to decide, and he's saying you can do it and you say, I can't. So next time you face an obstacle or crisis, the starting point should be, I can. Wow. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And I hope you enjoyed this article. I think it's very powerful. And we're going to continue reading these articles once a week, every Monday at 6 p.m. With love. Thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful day.